A car may shift into first gear but not move forward due to various issues, including transmission problems, clutch failure, manual, or issues with the transmission linkage or fluid levels. In this current problem, it gives clashing and irritating noise to hear when the driver attempts to move forward by releasing the pedal. In this video of current specific problem of specific vehicle, we are looking at manual shifting issues with first gear shifts easily but the car does not move forward. Possible causes: manual transmission, clutch issues, a worn out, slipping, or improperly adjusted clutch can prevent power from being transmitted. Clutch issues: worn out clutch components, clutch disc, pressure plate, clutch not fully releasing, clutch not disengaging when pedal is pressed. Transmission problems: broken gears, bad synchronizers in manual transmissions, damaged shift linkage, low transmission fluid or leaks, drivetrain problems, broken drive shaft or axle. Troubleshooting: check transmission fluid. Low or contaminated fluid can lead to various transmission problems. Inspect clutch, manual. Look for signs of worn out or damaged clutch components. Check shifter and linkage. Ensure the shifter and linkage are functioning correctly and not broken or disconnected. Inspect driveline. Check for any damage to the drive shaft or axle. Consult a mechanic. If the problem persists, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic for professional diagnosis and R. This is Toyota 1Hertz gearbox dismantled from a vehicle to fix the problem of first gear shifting. I briefly explain and show later what exactly caused the current problem to this car. As the customer joined our workshop, the reception unit listed out what problem encountered with the car and delivered to inspection team. The inspector with his team discussed on the issue after rod testing and distinguished the problem is first gear shifts but the car does not move forward. In this current problem, it gives clashing and irritating noise to hear when the driver attempts to move forward by releasing the pedal. Let us deeply move into the process of troubleshooting the problem by step-by-step disassembling the manual transmission. After cleaning the whole assembly of transmission and transfer case gearbox assembly, proceed with dismantling the major component assemblies, manual transmission and transfer case, clutch housing, and shift linkage assembly. Place them safely on clean table where they can easily and thoroughly be inspected later.
Remove the fifth and output shafter cover. Use lever and pull out the cover. Remove front gears cover from intermediate plate.
Here are major assemblies where we further go deep through the process of disassembling into individual components to find the problem. Visually inspect the condition of gears, shift forks, shift rods, synchronizers, hubs and sleeves before removing them from intermediate plate. Remove the main shaft bearing using extractor. Look the condition of fifth speed assembly, hub, sleeve, synchronizer, and remove the snap ring from counter shaft. It is now critical time when we thoroughly and carefully check and inspect gear shifting systems mechanism and components like rods, forks, hubs, sleeves, still balls, detent balls, and their mechanisms. After doing so, remove bolts where applied, snap rings, and pin lockers to remove rods, detent balls, rods, and shift forks according to their procedure. Remove the snap rings from the shift rods, remove the still balls using magnetized rod, make sure the gears are at neutral position, and tap the shift rods outward one after the other. By using appropriate extractor or special tool, remove the 5th speed gear assembly and place on table to inspect each individual items, 5th gear condition, synchronizer, needle bearings, shift hub, and sleeve. Using special tool, remove the snap ring from main shaft to remove 3rd speed gear assembly, consisting of shift hub and sleeve, synchronizer, and needle bearing. In the process of step-by-step disassembling and inspection, we found the problem of broken 1st gear spacer, worn bearing, broken 5th gear, and we also visually suspect for the strictness of the main shaft. To solve the problem, we ordered the mentioned components, transmission repair kit, synchronizers, and the main shaft for further inspection. Dear my followers, this video is to show a part of major repair process of gearbox which is only be done by qualified mechanic. It is also important for your understanding of power transmission mechanism. I like to remind you to follow the process of reassembling in reverse order in more detailed way. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.